we are so excited to share about the AutoBrush for kids. Oh my gosh, Briella has been using this for a couple weeks now, and this system is literally the easiest way to help brush her teeth, giving her independence for her oral hygiene daily routine. We're so excited to share. Stay tuned, friends. What does that say? Lenny the lion. The lion. Let's open up our box. How cute! Are you excited to brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Yeah? We got our charging base and our chargers. And look at all of this inside your box. Oh my gosh, how fun is this, Briella? So we have a chart to keep track of when you brush your teeth and these fun stickers. And then look at the 4 fun designs, the hippo, monkey, lion, and zebra. AutoBrush also comes with customized brush heads for ages 3 to 12. So Briella is 6, so we have the kids brush head age 5 to 7. She has the AutoBrush for kids bubblegum flavor, vegan, non-GMO, fluoride-free, gluten-free, and SLS-free foaming toothpaste. And then what else do you have? You got your fun flossers, right? And those are the strawberry flossers for a full mouth clean. Briella, are you ready to go brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Briella is going to show you how she brushes her teeth with the new AutoBrush for kids. And this is such a great way to teach oral hygiene and great just brushing habits. And we're going to walk you through how the AutoBrush for kids works. So this is the red and blue light. It's kind of hard to tell. This is just the blue light. Hold on one second. And then there is the red light. And all of these lights help to keep your teeth and your gums nice and healthy. And then we can go ahead and put on our foaming AutoBrush for kids toothpaste. And are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready to brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. And then when you turn it on, it plays a fun song. And in 30 seconds, you have a 360 clean mouth. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. It's important to bite down, and then move back and forth. Bite down, move back and forth. You got it. Good job, Briella.